Here's some. I'm gonna get some more. Don't grab the mat, just grab the beads. And we're starting over again. Now what are you gonna do? Oh, that's tricky. Tricky. It's not working. It's not working. You're gonna put the beads in there again? Now it's working, that's good. Here's a few more. Do you want these? We need to clean them all up so we can go to sleep. Are you ready to go to sleep? Is it working? Are they going in? Here, can I put some? Wow! You got a lot. Sorry, trying to prop up the phone. Ooh, bless you. Where are you going? Is it stuck on your hand? What? Gonna put them in the bowl? Yay. That's too big. Too big. Can I put that in your kitchen center? Okay. I'll put it right there. What? Can you put all the rest of the beads in the cup and then we gotta go to sleep, okay? No. Yeah. It's time to go to sleep. This is a long work, Katie. We gotta stop and go to bed soon. Yes. Ah, I got it. You threw it at me. Are you tired? No. No? Here, that one flew over there. You're being loud. Do you have any more beads? No. There's some on the mat. Yikes! A bug? Not a bug. It's a bead. Bug? Dog?
Baba.
Tomato? That's a tomato. Yeah, tomato. I didn't know you could sign tomato. A bowl? Water? Cold? What? A lion? Tiger? I think you're half asleep. Can you sign octopus? Octopus? What's that? Wind? I don't know. A fish? Wow, I don't know. What's that? Shoes? More. You know a lot more signs than I do. Please. Hat. Oh, bang, bang, bang. Can you sign dance? Maybe you should put your bowl down. Now can you sign dance? Oh. I like your hat. That's very nice. What? Can you put... You know what? We're all done, Muffin. We need to go to sleep now. Can you help me turn out the light? No? You could. You could help. Can you reach? No, you can't reach. I'll help you.